Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these fall floral earrings. They feature sliders, and there we can kind of see the back. We just added a bunch of new sliders to the website. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers. Today we will be using two different kinds of sliders. This is a metal and resin square slider, and this is a metal and rhinestone slider with 2 holes. We will also be using dyed bamboo coral beads. These little beads are faceted and they run between 4 and 5 millimeters. You will need an ear wire and 24 gauge wire. You will also need a 4 millimeter jump ring. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search fall floral earrings. We are going to start off by cutting a 6-inch length of 24 gauge wire, and we are just going to bend that wire up. We are going to grab our slider and we're going to slide the wire through on each side, only those top 2 holes. And then with my fingernail, I'm just kind of pushing that wire up so it lays flat up against the metal. Now we are going to string our bamboo dyed coral, 1 on each side. We're going to grab our other slider and bring that down. Now we're going to slide another coral on each side of the wire and bring those down. I'm just going to move this wire to the side so I can create the wrapped loop on this side. Using our round nose pliers, we're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and switching hands, we are going to wrap 1. You have to maneuver around the wire. 2. 3. We're going to remove it. Come over to this side. Trim off that little end. I'm going to straighten out my loop and tap that wire down so there are no sharp edges. Now we're going to come over to the other side of the wire. I'm just moving that wire back and I'm making sure that the beads are nice and tight. And now we're going to form our second wrapped loop. We're bending the wire back, moving the pliers up, bending the wire towards you, moving the pliers to the side, bending that wire back, and we're going to switch hands. And now we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to remove it. I'm just going to straighten that out a little bit. Coming back in with our wire cutters, trimming off that little end. I like to flatten my loops. And then we're going to tap this little wire down so there are no sharp edges. Now I'm going to come back in with my chain nose pliers, and I'm just making a slight bend and making a slight bend just so they move towards each other. Now we're going to grab our 4mm jump ring. This is how you open and close a jump ring. I'm going to open it and connect each side. Grab our ear wire. I'm going to move up a little bit. Place it there. Grab the other side. And close our ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my fall floral earrings. I wanted to show you a couple of other projects that are on the website. These are PDF instructions only. We don't have video tutorials for them. This is the fall floral bracelet. As you can see, it is attached using jump rings, and it looks really nice on when you connect it. This is also our fall floral necklace. This necklace was also made only connecting jump rings. Very pretty. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects. And for all your jewelry making needs, new beads are added weekly. And each week, howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.